If you live in Bangalore and want to gift your eyes a view beyond your laptop screen, that too without wasting hours and hours in driving, then you came at the right place. Today I'm gonna take you to a perfect destination for half-day visit from Bangalore, which is a 400-year-old, the Big Banyan Tree. After getting highly bored due to Monday to Friday work, we decided to have a very short and quick trip on Saturday morning. Usually on weekend, people from Bangalore city heads to Nandi Hills, Avalabetta or Lepakshi. But on this fine weekend, we choose to visit less known and also nearby place. The idea is to get some nice open drive, a good breakfast and to see what it takes to be 400-year-old giant banyan tree. To avoid traffic, we started at 6 in the morning. We took the nice ring road to enjoy the drive and prevent the traffic simultaneously. The tree is just 28 kilometers from Bangalore on the Bangalore-Mysore road. We didn't expect an array of plants nursery on both sides of the road leading to the banyan tree. I recommend you to visit any of these nurseries and check out the saplings or unique trees. The Big Banyan Tree remains open all days of the week, Monday to Sunday, from 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. But the ideal time to visit is in the early morning only. The Big Banyan Tree is the largest banyan tree in Karnataka. It is also the fourth largest banyan tree in India. The tree is one of its kind, very giant and a 400-year-old. The roots of the tree have so much altered that it will give you a feel of multiple trees. The roots are well secured and proper care is being done for the roots. Located in the village of Ketohalli, the single plant covers 4 acres of the area and is one of the largest of its kind in Karnataka. In the 2000s, the main root of the tree succumbed to natural disease, and thus the tree now looks like many trees. Now horticulture department looks after the tree and takes initiatives to conserve it. Beautiful sitting arrangements are there near the tree. The canopy of the tree constantly widens over the years and years. If you are the one who loves nature, interested in the species of plants and love to just head out with family, friends and even solo, the Big Banyan Tree is for you. The tree is home to a lot of birds, monkeys and squirrels. At the Big Banyan Tree, we took the path along the roots on the pathway that leads to the root, which are spread over 3 or 4 acres. The place has become popular as tourist attraction and also as movie shooting location. Several feature films have been shot on this location with the actors walking in and out of the mighty tree. The evergreen song Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge of Sholay movie was shot here. Amitabh Bachchan's movie Coolie song Accident Ho Gaya was also shot here, to name a few. We also visited the temple of Lord Muneeswara in the Big Banyan Tree complex. As per the local people saying, we got to know about the popular belief of the temple that if you have an unfulfilled wish, you need to do is to make 9 rounds at the Mukti Nagar temple around the ant hill in the Big Banyan Tree. And a legend promises its fulfillment in 90 days time. I think 2 to 3 hours is ideal visit duration for the visit to Big Banyan Tree. After spending some real good time in the lap of nature, we headed back towards Bangalore. Alright, that's it for today. We'll shortly come up with new video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. My name is Richa Dikshit and you are watching Foodtainment. Have a wonderful day.